Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or should I be welcoming myself back, because I literally have not filmed in probably a month. Like, I actually sat down and filmed videos. You guys have seen videos because I tend to batch film, but I actually haven't filmed in like a month. Okay, so I gotta get back into the groove of this. We're gonna try to film quite a few things today. Yes, I know my hair is all picked up down a little twist, but that's just gonna be my look for this afternoon and for several videos you'll see going forward. I'm just saying, it's been a while since I filmed, so just have a little patience, give your girl a little chance. You know, don't be out for comments acting crazy like, what's going on, and blah, blah, or like, what's going on with your hair. Like, I don't want to hear it. I'm natural with my hair, and I do what I want with my hair because it's off of my scalp. So, moving on from the elephant in the room and the hair, about my hair, we got lots of good things to talk about today. First thing up, we are talking about my rolling project pan, guys. I'm so proud of myself and how well I have done because all 5 products are finished. I can't, I'm so excited. I was surprised because, you know, I just felt like I really kind of been in a rut with my skincare and with my stuff. Like, I hadn't been using it as frequently as I have it in the past, and I was like, girl, get on your skin grind. Do what you need to do. Do it. Just use stuff up, move it out. You got so much of it. You need to keep it moving, keep rotation happening. So, I did. So, let's start with the first thing that I used up, which is going to be the Bioderma. I told you guys that I just strictly use it for, and this is the Sensibio H2O. It is just the regular, the original. It's for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive, dry to normal to dry, acne prone skin, so this is perfect for me. I either like to use this or the Hydro is it Hydro Bio? But like, yes, the one in the blue with the blue top, and it's my favorite. So I have a backup of that, and I've already started using the one in the blue because it's my favorite. So use that up. I finally, like, I have like a little bit left in the very bottom of this sunscreen, and this is the Pharmacy. Let's zoom in. It's like make a cute little thing. Yeah, there we go. Pharmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protector with Echinacea Green. And what is it doing? Why are we doing that? Oh, hold up. Really blurry. What's happening? I've never seen my camera do that, guys. That's really freaky. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. But what we're talking about is the Pharmacy Green Screen Daily Environmental Protector with Echinacea Green Envy with activated by succoric acid. Like, it's broad spectrum SPF 30. I use it for my face primarily. I did use it on my arms and things when I went to arms and chest, and back when I went to a water park in the summer, and I also put it on my like goddaughter and my son's faces. So everybody got a little bit of use to this, and I finally finished it off down. I think this wears well under makeup. It does leave kind of a blue cast on it at first if you don't rub it in really well, and it's really kind of hard to wear without makeup. Honestly, because it leaves that kind of cast on deeper skin tones. I noticed that when we were at the water park. My face doesn't love this. It was great on my arms, my chest, and my back, and it was great to have a natural sunscreen for that. But as far as like my actual face, my face just doesn't like sunscreen. And people are like, oh, you need sunscreen on your face. Use it on your face. I know, guys. I know. I live in the South. I'm in the sun 98% of the year. I understand. However, this breaks my face out in like horrible rashes and like crazy hormonal bumps. Like, this breaks my face out. I like the texture. The smell doesn't bother me because it doesn't smell really sunscreeny-y. But, guys, my face does not like sunscreen. And it's not just this one, but it's basically anything with titanium dioxide and zinc oxide in it breaks my face all the way out. All the way out. Freaks it out. So I have to use a sunscreen that is chemical based. And I know people are going to come here in the comments, you need a physical SPF. I don't want to hear that shit. I want to hear it. Okay? You're not the one trying to fix your face after these crazy breakouts with this. So in order to use this, I had to like layer some stuff underneath and then put this on the very top with nothing, without it actually just touching my actual skin in order to be able to use this up. So I will not be repurchasing that. That was like a 3-minute rant about a sunscreen. I'm so sorry. But guys, my face was going crazy with that sunscreen. So I'm going to show you what I used to fix it. The Herbivore Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask is how I fix this. So in order to use this up, I use this and then use this behind it to be able to make sure my face could get this light together. I really like this mask. I prefer the oil that comes in this line. Like, I know, I like how it smells. It's a strange, odd smell, but I really like how it smells. And this was a really good mask. I feel like my skin could really purge and kind of just get its light together after this mask, and then with using the oil behind it. So I do like the blue tansy oil as well that goes with this. I will repurchase that. I will consider repurchasing it, but I have a bunch of masks, so I'll get to that one eventually. Speaking of things that purge your skin and kept it together, this Kate Somerville Clarifying Treatment Toner. I really like this. I didn't like the cleanser that I bought when I bought this on my channel. If you don't know something about, check out the haul sometime early summer. That cleanser did not like my face. That cleanser did my face just like that sunscreen. It was a foolishness. But however, this toner is beautiful. It helped with the dark spots in my face. It helped just like, it does what it says. It's a clarifying treatment toner. It treats my face. It treated my acne, and it is so, I feel like, I can't say it treated my acne, but it treated my face. My face was always really smooth. It felt soft and together when I use this. I will definitely be repurchasing this toner. Last thing from the original project pan was the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Building Hydrating Cream. Okay, so when I got this, it was just okay. It's just okay. And then I used it some more. It was still okay, but you know, I liked it a little bit more. And then as I got down into this tube and I started this project, I realized I wanted to use it not as like a standalone moisturizer, but for what it says. It's a priming moisturizer buildable hydrating cream. I wanted to use it as a primer underneath my other moisturizers, and that really helped my face because my skin was kind of going through a dehydrated period. And so I used it as a primer for my thicker moisturizer, which will be coming up in one of the products that I'm going to be using in the next rotation of products. And I used it, and it was buildable, and I put it on as a base, and then like I put that other thicker moisturizer on top, and it just sunk into my skin so beautifully. And I really think this was great as a priming moisturizer, not like makeup primer, but like as a primer for my actual moisturizer. And I love that layering effect of that because it really helped my skin like bounce back from being dehydrated, and it was great. I really appreciated this product by the time I got to the end of it, and I probably would repurchase this just for that purpose. Like, really, I would. Especially if I get like the set, because it comes in like a set, like phase 1 set. It comes with like the cleanser, this, and then the lip balm, which I really realized at the end I really like the cleanser. Like, I feel like Glossier's products, you have to almost use them up to really appreciate how much you like them. And that's something I'm learning more and more about Glossier. So I definitely am going to place the Glossier order before the end of the year, because there are quite a few things that I want to grab and pick up and have as backups and staples. So there we go. That's the end of that spiel. Let's get into the products that I'm going to be using for the next probably month or so to kind of use them up. First up, we have the Umera Skin Purifier Ultimate Sublime Beauty Cleansing Oil. I'm down here on this, and even though I'm way down here, I promise the little goes a long way. Like, you need 2 pumps, and it like takes off everything on your face, like so clean. I have no idea why I do some sound effects, but this is so good. I love this. This is definitely gonna be a repurchase. I have one more bottle with a different variety of the cleansing oil before I repurchase this stuff, but I'm gonna have that always in my collection. Next up, I'm going to be using the Thayers Natural Remedy Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula with Cucumber. This is probably about right here. Like, it's pretty much a full bottle, guys. It's a full bottle of toner because I use this toner completely up. I'm going to be using this as a replacement, and this is kind of more hydrating, and I think it'll be really good for me. The Witch Hazel will do kind of the clarifying that did. Okay. I'm going to try this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. I'm going to try this Kate Somerville Exfolikate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. I had the acne version, and the acne version just like took my face to the ringer. But I use this while traveling, and it's like down here, guys. It's like halfway done, over halfway done. And I use this while traveling, which is how I got this far, and it doesn't seem to bother my face like the other one did. I don't know what was in the other one that was eating my face up, but this is alright. Then we have this mask, this Out of Trouble's 10-minute mask. 10-minute mask to rescue problem skin from Origins. I always keep these on hand. I love these. I'm down like here on it. Like, it's pretty much right in the middle of the barcode back here. So like used up almost. So I have like a 4th left to use up. I try to use this like once a week just to kind of purge any gunk that's in my face. And I really like using it like after I use my 4L, like use it with Philosophy Cleanser, like oil cleanse, and then like second cleanse, and then mask my face, and then get all the gunk out. But that's like once or twice a week, never more than twice a week, because this really pulls out junk and gets your face on task. So yeah, it really does help with rescue problem skin. It does do that. Last but not least, I will be using up the OriginsGinZing Ultra Hydrating Energy Boosting Cream. As you can see, I really love Origins products. You guys know that already if you watch my skincare videos. If not, they will be linked below or in the iCards. This is the Ultra Hydrating. This is like the super thick version of the original, which is like, I only have like this back side and like a little bit left like up on the side of the jar. And I want to use this up. But this was the moisturizer that I've been using day and night on top of this. These two moisturizers have just kind of put my skin back on the map as far as rehydration goes. And the nights when I wasn't using this, I was using the blue tansy oil as a base first and then putting this on top. So I really have been used to using this night and day, and I really feel like this routine has been brightening up my face, brightening up my skin, along with another secret product that I'm going to tell you about in my empties that I also repurchased in the VIV sale, which is going on now. So just know that'll be coming. Guys, thanks for sticking around for my Project Pan update as well as the reintroduction of new products. I cannot wait to continue to talk to you guys today. I'm getting back into the spirit of it, guys. I haven't been a long time, but I really remember why I like doing this now that I filmed this first one and I got all my jitters out. Stay tuned for more great things, and I hope you guys will stick around and watch more of my videos. Bye!